Alright, this is something that we will take only one ride because we are not sure what year it was modernized. Hope it's not correct at least, but this is on Mustamäentie 18 stickers A in Mäntsälä.
Yeah, Mustamäki.
Yeah, it's a small suburb here.
Yeah.
Mustamäki, Finland, 6 wars, built in 1974 by Kone, and the serial number is H35509, and the new serial number is B1 SY 8351, given at the modernization by Otis. It does sound like an Otis 1000 miles.
Yeah.
Yes, well, it's good here.
Yeah.
But I think we still have done just fine, right?
Yeah. Respektiivt paikkimaista, mutta meidän palautus on Otis gratis. That's